Hey, the seats have arrived. I was planning to give them a water blast and suck whatever arse juice is in there with a wetback. However, the wetback has gone missing, can't find it. So I'm just going to stick to vacuuming and go from there. Probably not the worst idea to vacuum it because the weather's getting pretty bad. So it'll probably take a while to dry if it was wet. Alrighty, let's get to it. This should do for now. Check this out. Look at all that gunk. That's literally from someone just scratching their ball sack and then putting their seatbelt on or taking their seatbelt off. Probably, actually, now that I think about it, he probably had a good ball sack scratch, scratched his asshole a little bit, and then pressed the seatbelt button. Wow, nasty. This one's really caked on there. Yummy. Hell of a lot better. Alrighty, let's get rid of these seats. So how's it going? How's it been? 5 years since I've last spoken to you. How old are you now? I was 20. I'm turning 26. Okay, that's looking pretty stock now, isn't it? Not too shabby, not too shabby. Well, there you go, she's all fitted. Looks pretty good, I reckon. So what does that mean? That means I can finally drive it, meaning that I can finally go into the workshop, put the steering rack on, put the shocks on, get the bloody work started. She's gonna be bloody amazing. I'll see you guys in the next video.